All right, Sheldon, thanks. You know, the snow will mean dangerous travel conditions. And because of that, PennDOT is putting Tier 4 restrictions in place beginning at midnight Saturday going into Sunday morning. Tier 4 means no commercial vehicles are allowed on affected highways. Also, no buses, no RVs, no trailers or motorcycles. Affected highways include Interstate 70 and 79, as well as 279, 376, and 579. Also, the Pennsylvania Turnpike. You can find the full list on WTAE.com.
PennDOT has more than 2,600 plow trucks and rented plow trucks, a full supply of salt, and well over 5,000 workers at our stockpiles across the state in every county ready to respond. And while our PennDOT teams are out in force working to keep roads safe and passable, it truly is critical that you all, the public, avoid travel as much as you can.
State officials are asking drivers who do go out to give plow crews plenty of room to operate safely. Also, keep their vehicles clear of snow and ice and to follow that new move over law when you approach emergency response areas.